Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change brakes on Tesla Model 3. Start by securing the car, chalking wheels, and wearing safety gear. Use a proper jack and stands rated for the vehicle weight, and keep the key card away. Always work on one axle at a time so brakes remain functional on the other side. Keep your workspace clean and organized to avoid losing small hardware and to speed reassembly. Lift the car and remove the wheel to access the brake components, and keep track of lug nuts in a tray. Unbolt the caliper guide pins and gently hang the caliper to prevent tension on the brake hose. Remove old brake pads and hardware, noting pad orientation and any shims. Clean the caliper bracket and evaluate the rotor. Decide if resurfacing or replacement is needed based on wear and runout. Compress the caliper piston slowly and evenly using a piston tool to create space for new pads, and avoid piston damage or boot tears. Fit new pads with proper shims and apply brake grease sparingly to contact points only. Reinstall the caliper and torque bolts to manufacturer specs, then remount the wheel and torque lug nuts in a star pattern. Lower the car and pump the brake pedal to restore firm pedal feel before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.